Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Bernie, and today we're going to be transforming in my own sort of easy as way into the Babyface killer in Happy Death Day. I was going to say Happy Halloween. In Happy Death Day, I finally got around to watching the second movie. So good, and I just think the baby mask is so creepy. I was going to think about actually making the mask myself, and then I thought, you know what, this could be an easy last minute Halloween or costume party kind of tutorial, something super quick and easy. And spooky season is not over until Christmas starts knocking on the door, so we have time. I'm going to add some more spooky videos towards the end of this month. I've got one more extra planned, hopefully I can get that done. But I do have some festive and Christmas videos coming up too as well. Let's go transform ourselves into the Babyface killer. Other YouTuber who did the baby mask makeup tutorial. I'll leave a little snippet of a video here in the link down below. I could have done it in that route as well, but I'm like not that well knowledge of makeup to do that, and I don't have all the equipment that she has, so I'm just doing it with the skill level that I have. Y'all who are basic like me and just want to dress up into another character, that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm doing it a super easy tutorial, so obviously it's not going to look exact like the character. I don't have blue eyes, so you can pop in blue contacts if you want to, but I'm not a fan of contacts, so I'm going to avoid that step. This is, like I said, super easy tutorial. Of the end product is also unknown. I'm totally winging it, so this will be fun. Putting concealer, I'm using the same concealer that I always use, which is my Rimmel London Hide the Blemish in Soft Honey, and I'm just popping that in the areas that I need it the most first.
Also, I did my own hair. I don't know if you noticed. I dyed it and I layered it and I gave myself a fringe. I don't know if you've all seen the curtain bang or the goddess bangs, the Korean bangs. They're so pretty and so flattering. That's pretty much exactly what I was going for, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Like, I really was just looking at some videos and just trying to get a rough idea of what it was.
It's like spot on. I'm going to remove my eyebrows. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I have never done this step before. I'm just, I've got quite thin brows. I mean, you can probably still see it on the camera. I'm going to go over the foundation as well and see how that looks. Foundation now, I'm basically just doing my base first and getting that sorted. Maybe the blue as like an eyeshadow, but we'll see how it goes for now. Just realized. Oh good. I mean, yeah. Make do with what you got. I wonder if the baby face has freckles. Like, if you look a really close up on the face mask. Like, do you think he has freckles? What do I do next? I usually do my eyebrows and then, like, this feels so weird. Okay, well, I noticed he's got a little bit of, like, eyeliner. She. I mean, don't want to spoil it for you. I'm going to use eyeshadow because that seems to work for me. I'm going to take a black. I use the same palette all the time, Revolution. I'm using this one here, the black, and I'm just putting it on the outer corner. Like I said, you could totally use an eye pencil, but so Literally, one of the things that resonated the most within the movie is the fact that, like, if I go, like, crazed eyes, I got the same eyes as Babyface, and that was the inspiration for the video for today, no joke. I was watching the second movie, I was like, you know what? I think I had Babyface's eyes. And then it clicked. It was meant to be. I had to transform into them. I'm gonna curl my lashes, but the trick is the mask has the eyelashes on the edge only. So what we're gonna do, you can totally like draw them on, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna curl my lashes, but I'm only gonna put the mascara on the end. And it's funny because I actually like to do this in general if I want to like change the shape of my eyebrows, change the shape of my eyes, or if you know how in vintage makeup, like 50s, there a lot of the I guess eyelashes are more towards the end, so I kind of like that anyways, and I kind of do that anyway. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting it towards the end only. I mean, you can add falsies just for the end if you want only as well, but the eyes were blue, just can you see, like, if my eyes were just only blue, like, it works. Or you pop your eyes open like this too and just pop it on the end, like, just give that shocked face because that's where you want it to go, and just pop it on the end. Silk Touch Essence, I've had this forever in Baby Dolls. It's actually a really good shade because it's not like it's not a warm pink they've got, it's the pink, it's a cool pink the mask has got. And obviously it's on the cheeks only, so I'm going to smile, big smile, and just kind of round it off just towards here, just towards the center there. There you go. And you want that doll-like expression because it's a mask, but it's on your face. So I'm just gonna smile and just keep that. It's on the lower half too, so if you just want to like, just, you know, just go for it. Yes. Powder. Just gonna powder everything. Okay, now my face is all doll-like and masked up. Like I said, my eyebrows will just edit the eyebrows later, but the base part is done. Now now the fun part begins. We're gonna make it more masky like and kind of highlight the features a bit more. So the base is done. Just go with that with the little round brush, and I have that, which is perfect. So if you smile like this with your mouth closed, you can sort of see it. I'm kind of doing that, so smiling first to get that, and then I'm gonna to get the bottom half. So smiling to get this part here. Okay. Oofed, my gosh. Okay. Okay, smiling then. And here. I'll blend that out. Oh my god, what's his name? Saul, right? Yeah. Actually, I haven't seen that movie either. It's giving me Saul and Pinocchio vibes, actually. There you go. In case anyone comes out with like offense or whatnot, in terms of like weight of Babyface, I'm not trying to like offend anyone with like the contour lining or whatnot. That's not my intention at all. This is a mask, it is a costume, it was not created by me. I am just recreating it because purely I love the film and I love the story, and the mask is terrifying and I like the story. I like the character solely for that purpose only, not because I relate to it. But I just thought it'd be a really cool Halloween costume that anyone should be able to do, you know. Like I said, it's a baby mask. This is a last minute tutorial idea. You don't have to do all the elements. I'm just trying to get as close to the mask as possible. So I just want to put that out there before someone, I don't know, starts saying something, because this is the internet. I'm aware of that. I think we have it. You could also paint the rest of your teeth, I guess, black and leave one tooth white, but last minute, we don't have time for that. We gotta go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was definitely different from what I usually do. Definitely interesting. If you want to venture out into a more horror character for Halloween, I think this is a great, easy last minute choice. I think all I need is just the fake knife and you're ready to go. Like, sorted. I can't get over it. I love it. I love it though. That's the thing. I love it. It was easy and it just have to do the facial expression and it works. You know? Oh, I love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below what you think and if maybe you would try it next year. Because yes, I know Halloween is past, but other birthday dress up occasions, let me know what you think of it down below. If you'd try it out or not. And don't forget to follow me on my social media as well. heyybernie on Instagram and also heyybernie on Twitter. I'm on there too. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Should I say bye? Oh wait, no, he doesn't say bye. He just stands there, right? So it'd just be like